How to buy USDT Tether from a crypto exchange. While Tether is the issuer of USDT, buying directly from them usually requires very large institutional level purchases. For the average person, the most common and accessible way to buy USDT with your own money is through a cryptocurrency exchange or brokerage service. These platforms act as intermediaries, allowing you to easily swap your traditional currency for USDT. First thing you have to do is choose a reputable cryptocurrency exchange. Popular and reputable exchanges include Binance, Coinbase, Kraken, Bybit, Independent Reserve in Singapore, or services like MoonPay or Transact that integrate with wallets. Create an account and complete verification (KYC). Go to the chosen exchange's website or download their mobile application. Follow the prompts to create your account using your email and a strong password. Once your account is verified, navigate to the Deposit, Add Funds, or Payment Methods section. On the exchange's platform, look for a Buy Crypto, Trade, or Market section. Find Tether or USDT from the list of available cryptocurrencies. Ensure you are selecting the correct one. Enter the amount of USDT you wish to buy or the amount of fiat currency you want to spend. Double-check the total cost, the exchange rate, and any associated fees. Click Buy or Confirm to finalize the transaction. After successful payment, your USDT will be credited to your spot wallet on the exchange. You can then choose to keep it there, use it for trading other cryptocurrencies, or withdraw it to an external personal wallet.